Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I know things are looking a little different. I don't know if you like it or not. I cannot say it right now. But yeah, I'm wearing a sari and you can see my aloe vera plant. Actually, I'm so bored of this white plain background. I'm going to change a few little things in my room so that the video aesthetics looks good, So yeah, till then, say hi to my backyard aloe vera plant. So anyway, I thought of doing a get ready with me, like a Indian kind of style, glam but easy. So that is what we are going to be doing in today's video. So let's just get started.
And it goes a little something like
So first I'm going to use a moisturizer. I love using moisturizer as a primer. I'm not going to put on extra primer today because I don't want to. I'll just go in with the moisturizer. And this moisturizer is so good. It really hydrates my skin so nicely. And it works like a primer almost. So I really like it for that purpose. So yeah, I'm just putting the moisturizer in my skin now. After looking hydrated, I am going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to go in with my foundation and I'm using the ColourPop No Filter foundation and the Garnier BB cream. I like this both so much. I like mixing foundation with a BB cream because foundation can be a little heavy and BB cream doesn't have coverage, so I like just mixing the two together. So I'm putting the foundation now. And I did pump out a lot of it, but I'm not going to put that many. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blending it out. So after putting on the foundation, I'm going to go in with a concealer. This is the Darling Isabella liquid concealer, and I'm just going to put it in this area right here. I never use a lot of concealer because I just don't want it to look cakey. So that is why I'm just going to blend this out with my beauty blender. So this is how my base looks right now, and after this is done, I am going to go in with my brows, but I don't think I can show you guys how I do my brows. So after my base is done, this is how it looks like, and I'm sweating continuously. So anyway, I'm just going to do my brows now, and I'll just brush them out with a spoolie, and I'm going to do my brows with a pomade here. I think I will just speed up this process because I can't talk and do my brows. So my brows are done now, and I'm going to go in with my bronzer and everything like that. And I'm taking this NY Bay foundation stick in the shade Toast, and I'm just going to contour these areas. So after that is done, I am just going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm using this Vetin Italy bronzer, and I love this shade so much. And I'm just like bronzing up these areas. I'm just bringing the bronzer a little bit on these areas too. And after my face looks something like this, I am going to go in with a blush. And for blush, I love this SFR color blush so much. This whenever I use this blush, I do not need to go in with another layer of highlighter because this blush looks so glowy and it looks so beautiful on the skin. It just looks very, very natural. So I'm putting this blush all over. Can you see there is like a very good glow to my skin? And also I have a lot of color. It's not something that is going to accentuate your skin or your lines. It just looks very, very dewy and wet. So after that is done, I'm going to move in with my eyes now. Is done, I'm going to move in with my eyes, and I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer as a eye base, so that my eye kind of pop out more the colors that I'll be using. I'm just going to blend this with my beauty blender. So after that is done, I am going to use this Nicka K eyeshadow palette. This looks so good, and I love this kind of warm shades so much, especially with glam Indian look. It looks very beautiful. So I'm using this palette. I'm first taking a very big fluffy brush, and I am using this shade right here, and kind of just going in with it. So after that is done, I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and I'm just going to deepen up my outer parts of my eyes, just this area right here. So after that is done, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is a little bit golden, and I'm putting this all over my inner parts of my eyes. So this is how I want my eyes to look like, a little very glossy kind of a thing. And if you want to deepen up the outer corners, you can totally do that. I personally don't like to deepen it up that much, but so after my eyes are done, I am just going to take a mascara and so right now my mascara is a little wet, so I'm going to go in with falsies a little later. Now I want to do my lips, and for lips I want to take something that is not too nude. It's like a brown nude kind of a thing. So for lips I'm taking this NY Bay lipstick, and I talked about it on my under rupees 300 nudes. I just recently posted that video, So now I'm going to go in with false lashes, and these are the false lashes I'm going to use. These are from Amazon, and I'll quickly apply them and come right back. So this is how my makeup turned out after putting on lashes. The lashes tie up the look so well, and I really loved this look. I obviously, whenever I am wearing any sari or anything, any traditional outfit, I always wear this kind of a makeup look, and which is once a year. So thank you so much for watching. If you like to see more of these looks, makeup looks from me, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.